Welcome to my channel. In this video, I will share with you how to delete recently deleted photos on iPhone. So step one, go to Photos. Here you will see the available photos on your iPhone. To delete the recently deleted photos, it's simple. Go to Collections from here, then scroll down all the way to the bottom, and below Utilities, you will see Recently Deleted. Click on it. Now you need to approve with your Mac, or you need to authenticate to access this album. Click on View. Now click on View Album. Then authenticate using your password or Touch ID. And just like that, you will see the recently deleted photos on your Mac. Now to permanently delete those photos, it's simple. Click on Select and start selecting the photos that you want to delete or to permanently delete from your iPhone. Like this, for example, I will keep this last one and click on these three dots, click on delete. As you see, this will permanently delete the selected items. This action can't be undone. Click on delete from this iPhone. And this is how to delete recently deleted photos on iPhone. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.